This mummy has a pipe cleaner base, so when you're finished, you can bend him around into different poses. Let me show you how to make it in just a few simple steps. For this project, you will need 4 white pipe cleaners, a pencil, scissors, gauze, thick white craft glue, and googly eyes. Start by making the head of the mummy by holding the end of one pipe cleaner against a pencil and wrapping the coils around one on top of the other, creating a little bundle. Tuck in the end and remove it from the pencil. Fold a second pipe cleaner in half. Take one end of the pipe cleaner from your bundle and put it across the top of the head in the middle, and then thread the 2 ends of your folded pipe cleaner down and through the head. Fold one of the sides out and then bend it back at about 1.5 inches to form an arm, and then fold the other end in toward the middle. Now fold up about 2 inches of the other side to make one leg. Bend a little bit out at the end for a foot. With another pipe cleaner, wrap the end around the top of the leg. Fold another leg and foot, same length as the first one, and then wrap the rest of that pipe cleaner around the belly of the mummy to give his body some fullness. None of this needs to be very neat because it's going to be covered in gauze. We're just making a frame. Once I'm done with the belly, I'm going to wrap it around the shoulders, cross it over a couple times, and go back down around the middle and tuck in the end. Take the last pipe cleaner, start it under the armpits, and just wrap it around the middle of the mummy to add some girth to the body. Now cut your gauze into skinny strips between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. These don't have to be particularly neat, and it's okay if the ends are fraying a little bit. It will add some character to your mummy. Begin wrapping the gauze around your mummy. There's no particular way to do this. I'm just going to start with the head. Just make sure I've got full coverage, several wraps around, and just continue on until the full body is wrapped. Again, don't worry about any extra strings. When you get to the end of a piece of gauze, use a little bit of craft glue to glue it in place. When your mummy's completely wrapped, the last step is to glue on the googly eyes. So use a generous amount of craft glue, stick the eyes in place, and once the glue is completely dry, your mummy is finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.